In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert the notes on your iPhone to a PDF. So we're going to start by heading over to the Notes application and then just select the note that you want to convert into a PDF. Once you've opened your note, click on the share icon in the top right hand side of the screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Print. Now, we're not actually going to print this document, this is just how we convert it into a PDF. So what we need to do now is once again click on the share icon in the top right hand side. As you can see, this is now converted into a PDF document and we just need to now save this to our files. So go ahead and click on Save to Files and select the destination of where you want to save this PDF document to. I'm just going to save it on my iPhone and hit Save. So once you've saved this, you can head out of the Notes application, head over to the Files app on your phone. If you're not sure where that is, then just search for Files and click on the Files app. Then from here, navigate over to the folder where we just saved our PDF document to, and you can see in the top left hand side, this is the note that we've now converted to a PDF document. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.